just do it. Yeah, there's no two ways about it. It's changed our lives massively, so just do it. We'd kind of reached a point where the business had turned into a little bit of a petulant monster, and it was rolling out of control. We thought we needed to bring somebody on board that was going to help us tame it and get it back on the direction it needed to be. Very stressful, scary at times, sleepless nights, tension. Yeah, we were confident in the business, but it wasn't going exactly how we wanted it to go. I think it could have imploded if we'd not been careful. If we'd have not brought on board a coach at that point, I think we probably would have hit harder times. After the first meeting of him drawing us both to tears and realising what we had actually got, bringing him in has really given us the direction where we need to go, and he's got us to focus on what really needs the attention. Yeah, I mean, without our 90-day planning now and our vision orbit, we wouldn't know where we're going. So yeah, we stick to that religiously. Because we could easily dismiss it if it was just the two of us, and we could choose to ignore it. I think by meeting on a regular basis, he gives us that vision and that additional pressure to make sure that we do stick to it. Now, I mean, we've doubled in size over the last 2 years. Our vision is to take it way beyond where we ever thought we'd get it to. We can now see that it's a clear pathway to get there. So yeah, it's a fabulous place. Turnover, we've gone from about 1.6 million, now we're sort of on the edge of turning over 3 million, with predicted for the following year of about 4.2. Profit's gone up, yes, in figures. Percentage-wise on net, it's come down a little bit, but that comes with your expansion. If it weren't for us having that vision, our mindset just would be all over the place. We have very few friends still. We have a lot of friends in business. They've noticed a difference in us, but family, yeah, without a doubt. They say, why didn't you do it 2 years ago? Why did you leave it till 2 years ago? It is, yeah, because whereas before we thought we knew what we were going to do, now we know exactly what we're going to do.